Hi, this is Michelle Cromer, and I wanted to answer some questions about sage. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to get rid of negative energy. I think there's so much out there, so I wanted to bring this to you today. Sage is from the word salvea, which means to heal, so it's a healing property. And it's been used since ancient times. The Romans used to use it for digestion or sore throats. The French used it in tea. The Chinese used it for joints. The Egyptians used it for fertility. It's been around a long, long time. I grow my own sage, so this is the way it looks naturally. And then I dry it and I make it so that we can use it in cooking. You can get this at the store. It's a lot easier. And then I love my sage when I have a sore throat or digestion issues. I just put that on that part of my body. So this is the essential oil part of it. And then I make myself sage for ceremonies. I don't like to buy these in mass market websites because the intention of how you make it, I think, is really important to the chi. And I set my intention before I go and cleanse a space because I'm healing that space. I'm getting rid of a lot of that negative chi. I make sure that I have a fireproof bowl and I light it and I immediately blow it out, and I pay special attention to doorways and windows where that chi really comes in. I set my intentions again and I finish up and I open up all the windows and blow all the sage out. That's a very yang energy, the fire of that and burning. So I end it with a incense and I wrap the ceremony up, setting my intentions once again and thanking this beautiful, beautiful property for doing all of the things that I need for it to do. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions. Please ask me questions at Michelle@michellekromer.com or follow me on Facebook, Michelle Cromer Feng Shui. Thanks.